Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's about 3 o'clock. Show you what I've got going on. Working on some plumbing today. Don't have much choice. Ended up with a big leak. Right here's where I've been digging. That's where I dug up. I covered this so no more water can get in it. There's my pipe right there. Might rain tonight, so I wanted to cover that. Luckily, I know where my pipes are at. Oh my God. This ground's saturated. Hopefully it'll dry out in the next day or two. But I gotta find this leak. I'm not sure where it's at. I'm hoping it's right there where I dug. That seems to be where the yard was the wettest. So we'll see. I think I work harder now that I retired than I did when I was still at work. But I can't complain. I was in pretty bad shape. 11 years ago, maybe 12 years ago. All these neck injuries. Tearing up my rotor cuff. Fighting with insurance companies. Then COVID. Finally, after COVID was over, I was able to get my surgeries and been getting along pretty good now. So I'm not going to complain about this too awful bad, because at least I'm in good enough shape I can still dig and do plumbing and fix just about anything. Well, I'm done rambling. If you would hit like and subscribe, I just thought I'd update everyone what's been going on.